Hello and welcome to the HardReset YouTube channel. Today you will learn how to remove extensions in Google Chrome. So for the first step, all you have to do is just open your Google Chrome browser. Now, go to the top right corner and click on this puzzle icon. And now choose Manage Extensions. Great! All you have to do now is choose the extension you would like to remove and click the Remove button on it. You'll have to confirm your choice by clicking the Remove again. Okay. So as you can see, I have removed my extension, and now you know how to do it as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.